In this video, I will show you how you can record your presentation in Canva after you've already created it, whether you found it in your recent designs, your projects, or built it from scratch using Canva's presentation templates. Once your presentation is ready and you're happy with it, go to the top right corner, click Present, and choose the Present and Record option, making sure you start on the first slide before clicking Next. This will take you to the recording studio, where Canva will ask for permission to access your microphone in webcam, and you can choose to enable just the microphone or both, depending on how you want to record. After giving access, click Start Recording, wait for the countdown, and begin presenting while speaking over your slides, using the timer, recording indicator, and notes as you move through the presentation. When you're finished, click End Recording, and Canva will generate a recorded version of your presentation along with a shareable link. And you'll also have the option to save, exit, or download the recording as an MP4 file directly to your computer.